guys, how's it going? Laura with Garden Answer. If you love boxwoods like I love boxwoods, but you have problems with boxwood blight or any of the other problems that sometimes come along with boxwoods, you might try the alternative, which is the 2020 Landscape Shrub of the Year, Gembox Inkberry Holly, which looks a lot more like a boxwood than it does an inkberry. Gembox is such a beautiful shrub. They've got dainty, dark green, glossy leaves, but when they flush out with new growth in the spring, the tips are red, which makes them have a beautiful spring season, and they stay really well branched, so they look great from top all the way to bottom, unlike other cultivars of inkberry hollies. They're a dwarf evergreen. They stay about 2 to 3 feet tall and wide, so they're really easy to tuck into the landscape in different areas. They like full to part sun, and they're really great for all different kinds of things. Hedges, small topiaries, you can use them in containers even, or just as single specimens in your flower beds. They're just really versatile that way. They do prefer a moist, acidic soil, so you do want to keep that in mind, and they are a zone 5 through 9. Gembox is a really great way to add a winter interest into your landscape in a smaller package. You can find the Gembox Inkberry Holly at Reston Farm Garden Market.